Opening scene, montage of the 2025 Lexus LX, sleek shots of the exterior, luxurious interior, and driving footage. Narrator. Welcome back to Upcoming Car Update. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lexus LX, a premium full-size SUV that blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of high-end SUVs, this one's worth your attention. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Lexus LX retains its bold and commanding presence but gets a few refinements to enhance its appeal. The front grille is now more streamlined, integrating seamlessly with sharper LED headlights. Lexus has also introduced new alloy wheel designs and fresh exterior color options, making the LX look more modern and sophisticated. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LX is expected to continue with its powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing around 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this setup ensures a smooth yet powerful driving experience. Lexus might also introduce a hybrid variant, improving fuel efficiency while maintaining performance. Inside, the LX takes luxury to the next level. Premium leather upholstery, open-pore wood trims, and a redesigned dashboard make the cabin feel even more refined. The 12.3-inch infotainment system is now faster and more intuitive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A secondary 7-inch display for climate control and vehicle settings adds to the futuristic feel. For tech lovers, Lexus has upgraded its safety and driver assistance features. The latest Lexus Safety System Plus includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new AI-powered traffic prediction system. Off-road capabilities remain strong with multi-terrain select and an improved suspension system for tackling rough terrains effortlessly. Lexus is also focusing on passenger comfort with enhanced sound insulation and new rear seat entertainment options. The available executive package provides reclining rear seats with massage functions, making long drives more enjoyable. As for pricing, the 2025 Lexus LX is expected to start around $90,000, with higher trims pushing past $120,000. It's set to compete with rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLS, BMW X7, and Range Rover. What do you think about the 2025 Lexus LX? Is it the ultimate luxury SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on upcoming cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.